Hello. Today I was watching this video from the POV channel, and I will link that video here in the upper right hand corner. Thank you to Nolan again for this amazing imagery that he's giving us, and he has gone out today and explored this rock, and it's a really interesting video. I think you should check it out. But look at this, my friends. What do I look at? I see here what I thought was a face, and I grabbed a screenshot at the time when I was watching his video, and now zooming in. I mean, look at this. If this isn't a face, here's the chin line, neckline, here's the mouth, the nose, the eye, and right here's the ear. Come on, if that's not an ear, I don't know what is. Please, what do you guys think in the comments? I keep seeing these things, and it's, of course, you know, interesting. And I want to thank you for listening to me today. And I'm super curious to know what your thoughts are in the comments. So please do, if you thought this was interesting, like the video, drop a comment, because really this is exceptional. What do you think?